Good morning, Lion class. Lola's sitting next to me today. Look, you say hello. She's just come to join us, but she's going to sit next to me. Okay, you sit there. Good girl. Today is Tuesday, and I've been looking at how to sign the days of the week. I wonder if you know, you maybe have learnt before. So you've got your hand. This is Monday, and this is Tuesday. You remember that? So Monday, Tuesday. So we're going to see if we can learn all the days that we meet. Oh, Lola's trying to have a sniff. Good girl. I'm going to sit down. Okay. So today we're going to be thinking about worms. Do you know the song about worms? We're going to see if we can sing the song about worms. The worm. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and all that he can do is wiggle all night and wiggle all day, and people all play. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly, Wiggly, Wiggly Woo. I bet you know the song better than I do. See if you can learn it, and maybe we'll sing it when we go back to school. Oh, need to stop this one. Don't know what it was going on to then. Okay, so I've made some Play-Doh to make my worms from. You can make Play-Doh really easily with some flour and some salt, and I've put some oil in mine, and I've put a little bit of coffee to make it this colour. It's just a bit wormy colour. So I'm going to break off a bit of the Play-Doh, and then we're going to roll it out. I'm going to move you back a little bit, so you're going to put the screen down and show you how I roll it out. I've got to be careful with Lola here. She quite likes the look of this Play-Doh. I think she would quite like to eat it. She can't eat my worms though. So using two hands, using two hands to push down, and then I move my hands apart, and I'm making the worm long, and that's the sign for long, long, and that's what we're doing. We're pushing it down and spreading our fingers a little bit wider. If we push our hands down, just push it down, and then I wonder what we could do with our worms. Well, I was wondering, and then I was looking around, and I realised we'd done all this work on our letters up here. Oh, no, Lola, you can't eat it. On our letters up here. So I thought maybe we could make some letters, and we could make some words with our worms. So I've started making a word. I wonder if you can see what word this is. And Lola's desperately trying to eat my worm. Look, can you see the word that I'm writing here? Someone's name, and I've got one letter left to do. So I've got my worm. Now I need to start. This is a curly caterpillar letter. So I need to start there and go round there. It's just about the right length. I need to cut a little bit off there. There. Can you see what it says? I know someone will be able to. This says Maisie. Now, I've got all my worms making the letters of Maisie's name. That's clever, isn't it? Now what we're going to do is we're going to see which letter has got the longest No, Lola, you can't eat them. Maisie, Lola's trying to eat your name. We're going to see which letter has got the longest worm. So I'm going to start with the E, and we're going to put it up here. Then the I. No, that's not very long, is it? That's a shorter one. I'm going to stretch out. S is nearly as long as the E, but not quite, is it? And then we've got another I. Now the A is quite long because remember we go round, up and down. Let's see how long this one is. Oh, it's a bit longer than the S, but not quite as long as the E. Now, what's the last letter? For Maisie. Let's have a look. Oh, look how long that one is. For Maisie is really long. Can you do that sign? Long. Why don't you have a go? Have a go at making some Play-Doh and seeing if you can make some long worms and make some letters with your worms. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, lions. Bye.